Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord when you get the update failed error. So the first thing that you want to do is go to your taskbar. If you're in Windows 11, right click and say Task Manager. And all you want to do inside the Task Manager is make sure Discord is no longer running. So in Task, close that. Then we're going to go to the Start button and we're going to right click on it. And we're going to say Run. And %, app data %. And in roaming here, we want to just look for Discord. And we're going to go to our cache data, and we need to highlight and delete everything here. Now from there, you can just try running Discord again and see if the update installs now. If it still doesn't install, don't waste your time, just simply completely uninstall the app and re-download it. This is going to be a lot quicker than looking for a fix. A fresh install will immediately put you on the latest version. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.